Hello and welcome once again to Cosmic Vintage Curiosities, a veteran-owned business. I'm the owner, Ed, and today we're looking at this vintage table lighter in the form of a train, steam locomotive. Someone else had posted one of these. They believed that it might be pewter. I don't think that's correct. I agree with another person that said they believe it's brass. I think that it probably is brass. If we look at back end, we can see I think it's cast in there where it says Windsor and Japan. So this is a vintage table lighter. Not sure what time period this was made. We open it up, you see the lighter itself. And you can use it in there like that. There's no spark because that flint needs to be replaced. But we can pull it out. And looking at the condition, it appears to be pretty nice. It says Japan there. The action is fairly smooth for an item this old. It still has the wick in there. Whether or not that will need to be replaced anytime soon, I can't say. Because of the age of these items and for their sometimes fragile nature, I prefer not to try to test these with fluid and replace flints because I'd rather whoever gets this decides for themselves how they want to either modify or upgrade or repair or maintain these items. So there you have it. It's about, let's see, for the dimensions, just a quick look. It's close to, it's a little over 4.5 inches long. And see if we measure at the tallest part, it's about 2¼ inches tall. And it's pretty heavy. I can get the scale out here just so you can see what we're talking about. Alright. And as you can see, it measures about a little over 10 ounces. So it's a pretty good weight for its size. I think whoever gets it will enjoy having it in their collection. Those who enjoy train collectibles as well as vintage lighter collectibles, it's in pretty nice shape. Can't make any guarantees about working condition because, like I said, because I haven't tested it. I'm offering it as is at my eBay store, and there'll be a link in the description below if you're interested. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.